It's not just a matter of whether we can get the parts or we can get the service. We understand that they need it now. Our success is driven by how well we make our customers successful.
Blaze Equipment provides sales and service for foundation drill rigs, Kelly Bar rentals, repairs, teeth tooling, and parts sales for many brands of drill rigs.
What Blaze does best is understand the contractor's needs. My background is a previous end-use operator of the drill rigs, and I know how devastating it is to have a drill rig taken days or weeks to get repaired.
So that's why we always make it a habit to always have the parts that you need and to get them out.
They're immediately on the ground ready to ship so you can get drilling your hole tomorrow. At Blaze, we've invested in our Kelly Bar division to be able to do 100% of the work here in-house.
We've built a rather large machine shop just to control quality.
And it's really cut down on the failures in field, which is important to the customers. That keeps them going.
Not only can a customer bring their equipment here in the downtime and we repair it, we can also travel to them. We've got several mobile units, we've got mechanics that'll fly, so we can put stuff on airplanes and be there, within that day if needed. We don't believe the service ends, the first year after you buy your drill rig or the second year. It's as long as you own the drill rig, the service never stops.